Hi, it's Rich Tehrani. Welcome to the TMC newsroom. We're in our headquarters in Norwalk, Connecticut. On our program, Bill Doyle, the CEO of Dexter. Bill, welcome to the program.
Thank you.
So, Bill, I thought we'd start off by talking about what Dexter does.
Dexter is a software development company. We develop custom back office solutions for enterprises, primarily in the telco space. And most recently, we are evolving into a company that develops expert systems technology. An expert system is a system that kind of goes beyond where today's software is, and it arrives at solutions by using the same logic that humans use.
Basically, you load this expert system up with if, then, else kind of statements, right? And it kind of goes through a logic tree based on input.
Right. Well, a lot of programs, a lot of problems today in business. For example, a scheduling problem where you have 50 technicians and 100 jobs in a garage. It's pretty straightforward to organize that work based on just distance. You group the jobs closest together, and you can give 2 jobs to each of the 50 technicians. But when you incorporate other constraints like appointment windows and technician skills, certain tools, different job types, the number of possible permutations of arranging the work to those technicians becomes very large. It's almost computationally impossible to do it in a brute force method. But what we found is we can take an expert system and introduce human-based rules. See, a human could really cut down, reduce the solution space, very quickly using human logic and intuition and training. And so what we do is we take the rules that enable a human to arrive at that solution, and we put it into a computer system. And it becomes an expert system, and it's rules-based, and it can achieve a solution or arrive at a solution in about the same time or even faster than a human can.
And so the reason to do this would be productivity boost for your customers?
It's for our customers are able to improve the efficiency of their back office operations, correct.
And there's tremendous amount of money there to be saved.
Yes, absolutely. And IBM has this this logo now, or this their mantra is smarter software, software for a smarter planet. And we believe that that is where the next boost in back office productivity is going to come from computer systems and automation. It's going to come from smarter software. So we've invested heavily in this expert system technology, and we are also looking at machine learning technology that would enable us to feed back parameters back into the expert system by observing what what's happening in the real world.
And is this limited to carrier still? Carrier back office systems?
No, we don't believe so. We are looking. We ultimately would like to make it a very horizontal SaaS application where companies could tap into our SaaS platform and provide their inputs, and we would work with them to set up rules, or they could put in their own rules. And our engine would produce the results similar to what a human would.
Now, workforce management software is a pretty big industry, and there
right.
Even within that space, there are subsets like the call center, which is a huge segment of the workforce management market. Is that something that you see your company playing in down the road?
I don't think so. I can't think of a good reason why, but I don't see the immediate application.
So the level of complexity in a carrier makes it more of a fit for what you're doing, as opposed to something that seems on the surface to be more of a simple calculation.
Yeah, you need this technology is really to address large problems of the large solution space.
Can you give us an idea of just how large?
Well, if you take, say, 50 technicians and 100 jobs, the ways of arranging those are it's like billions times billions. We're talking 10 to the 12th exponent, and And so what you have to do is computationally you really can't brute force your way through that problem. You have to develop some rules to kind of reduce the size of the solution space and solve it that way.
Okay. So in terms of other sorts of customers that may be able to purchase from you, I mean, what's your value prop that you can just explain to them why they should contact you to learn more?
Well, we are experts at integrating with legacy systems. We've been doing it for over 20 years. We have a strong background in this expert system technology, and what we're really looking for are custom opportunities for custom solutions that we can go in and take our expertise with legacy integration and expert system technology and more or less come up with a custom solution that reduces operational expense.
Fantastic. Thanks so much for being here.
Thank you very much.